Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning, where we dive deep into the evolving world of AI and machine learning. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 powerful agent frameworks that are shaping the future of AI. Whether you're a beginner, enthusiast, or a seasoned professional, these frameworks will help you build autonomous agents that can perform complex tasks, interact with their environment, and collaborate with other AI systems. Stick around to learn how you can get started, plus some exciting updates in 2024. First up, we have LangGraph. This framework excels at breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks. Imagine an AI system where different agents solve individual pieces of a big puzzle. That's LangGraph in action. LangGraph's recent updates now allow for more efficient agent collaboration in high-demand environments, like supply chain optimization and financial modeling. By dividing complex tasks into smaller, specialized subtasks, LangGraph has been increasingly used in enterprise applications where precision and modularity are key. For instance, LangGraph is being used by companies in natural language processing workflows to break down massive data sets into more manageable pieces, improving both speed and accuracy. LangGraph is built on top of the LangChain library, a modular platform for building language models. If you're new to LangGraph, here's a quick way to get started. Pip install LangChain. LangGraph has also integrated with Hugging Face, making it easier to deploy pre-trained models directly into your agent workflows. Next, we have IBM's Bee agent framework. This is all about building distributed multi-agent systems. Bee agents are designed to communicate, make autonomous decisions, and collaborate to handle tasks in different environments. As of 2024, IBM's Bee agent framework has integrated support for TypeScript 5.0, offering better performance and stronger typing for large-scale systems. Another major update is its optimization for edge computing, enabling agents to operate across distributed networks with minimal latency, perfect for IoT platforms and smart cities. IBM's Bee is currently being used in autonomous drone fleets for tasks like environmental monitoring and logistics, where real-time decision-making is crucial. To get started with IBM's Bee in TypeScript, just install the necessary tools. npm install TypeScript. Bee now offers Docker support for easy deployment across cloud and edge environments. Consider using Docker containers to rapidly scale your distributed systems. Third on our list is CrewAI, a framework designed for collaborative AI agents. CrewAI makes it easy to integrate large language models and custom tools, enabling agents to autonomously gather, process, and summarize information. Catching up with the latest in AI, CrewAI now supports integration with GPT-4 and other cutting-edge language models, allowing agents to handle more nuanced and context-aware tasks. This is particularly valuable for projects requiring multi-agent negotiation or collaborative decision-making in industries like healthcare and finance. CrewAI has been adopted in automated customer service systems, where multiple agents collaborate to resolve complex queries in real time, combining language understanding with data processing. To get started with CrewAI, just install these required libraries. Pip install CrewTransformers. CrewAI now includes support for reinforcement learning, allowing agents to improve performance over time. This makes it a great choice for systems requiring continuous learning and adaptation. Next, we have AutoGen. This framework is all about flexibility and customization. Whether you need agents that integrate large language models, tools, or even human feedback, AutoGen is perfect for large-scale systems that require dynamic collaboration. The latest version, AutoGen 2.0, now allows for real-time human-in-the-loop feedback, making it more suitable for mission-critical applications like medical diagnosis or financial auditing. This update ensures agents behave ethically and are aligned with human goals, especially in sensitive industries. AutoGen is currently being deployed in legal tech, where agents assist with drafting documents based on real-time feedback from lawyers. This reduces errors and speeds up the legal review process. To get started with AutoGen, follow Microsoft's documentation and install the required libraries. With built-in integration for Microsoft Azure, AutoGen now supports scalable cloud deployment, allowing you to spin up agents as your workload demands. Last but definitely not least, we have AutoGPT. This is an advanced AI tool that builds autonomous agents capable of handling complex tasks using large language models like GPT. What sets AutoGPT apart is its memory management and context awareness, making it ideal for long, multi-stage projects. In 2024, AutoGPT introduced a new memory module that significantly improves long-term context management. This makes it ideal for tasks that require agents to remember details over long periods, such as project management or strategic planning. AutoGPT is already being used in financial planning tools, where agents track complex multi-stage investment strategies, offering personalized advice based on long-term market trends. To get started with AutoGPT, head to AutoGPT.net and install the required libraries. If you're deploying AutoGPT at scale, consider integrating it with Redis or Pinecone for more efficient memory management, allowing your agents to handle larger datasets and more complex tasks. So, which agent framework should you choose? It all depends on your project. LangGraph for breaking down complex tasks into smaller ones. IBM Bee for distributed multi-agent systems. CrewAI for collaborative AI with large language model integration. AutoGen for customizable agents in dynamic environments. AutoGPT for advanced AI with context awareness and memory management. Each of these frameworks offers something unique, whether you're working on AI research, automation, or large-scale systems. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Foundation Learning for more deep dives into the latest AI tools and technologies. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.